Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. In today's class we will discuss about division by two digits. So we have the first question here, as you can see, 1815 divided by 34. Now let us see how we can quickly do it in a matter of few seconds. First of all, you need to write the divisor the way I have written. 3 is here and 4 is at the top of 3. So you have to write it like this, and then 1815, and then we will start the process of division, which is a bit different from how we actually do in the normal division. Just try to observe it. Now in the dividend, the first digit is less than the divisor, so we will consider two digits, that is 1 and 8. So 3 goes into 18 5 times, as you can see, and when we give it write 6, it becomes 18 and we get 0 here. So we will divide by, we will use 5 only. 3 5s are 15. So write 5 over here and 15 over here, and then subtract it. So 18 minus 15 gives you 3. Now this 3, you can take this 3 at this place and this number will be 31 now. Next step is this 4, from this 4 you multiply this 4 and this 5, and whatever is the outcome you subtract from this 31. So 5 times 4 is 20, so you have to subtract 20 from this 31, so you get 11 here. Now 11 is greater than 3, so we will divide this 11 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, and we get 2 as remainder here. This 2 we will take to the next digit as shown, 25, and again we will subtract this product of 3 and 4, this 4 and 3, 12, and this will be our final remainder, and 53 is our quotient. So in this question 53 is quotient and remainder is 13, and that is our answer. I will solve other questions and you will be able to understand my steps. Let us move to next question. Our next question is 1563 divided by 42. Again we will write 42 in this manner and 1563. Now 1 is smaller than 4. In this type of division we will consider 4 and 2 separately. We are not dividing by 42 as we do in the normal case. We are first dividing by 4 and then making some adjustment by subtracting. So just watch the steps, so it will be clear to you. 4 goes into 15 how many times? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So subtract 12 from 15, you get 3. 4 goes into 15 3 times, and 4 3s are 12, and again subtract 12 from 15, you get 3. This 3 is to be shifted to this place so it becomes 36. And now multiply this 2 and this 3, that gives you how much? 6. 3 2s are 6, and subtract 6 from 36, you get 30. I hope steps are clear so far. Now this 30 is greater than 4, so we will again divide 30 by 4. So 4 7s are 28, and subtract 28 from 30, so you get 2. Now take this 2 here again in the manner I am doing, write it, and this will be now 23. And from this 23 again you need to subtract 7 times 2, that is 14. After subtracting 14 from 23, you get 9. So this 9 is your remainder and 37 is your quotient. This is quotient and this is your remainder. Watch me solving the question steps clearly, slowly, and if you are not getting, just rewind the video and then watch it again. Steps are very easy to understand. With a little practice you can easily solve this question in this manner. So now we will move to the next question. Now here is the next question where 3464 is to be divided by 72. So I have written 3464 as you can see, and 72 as usual is written in this manner. The beauty of this type of Vedic division is that you don't have to divide by 72. You don't have to memorize the table of 72 and then do. We are considering 7 and 2 separately and then solving. Again 3 is less than 7, so we will have to consider first 2 digits. 7, 34 and 7. 7 goes into 34 how many times? 7 5s are 35, so 7 4s are 28. So what do you get? You subtract here and you get here 6. Now this 6 will be placed over here as we did in the previous case, and 4 2s are 8 will be subtracted from 68. So what do you get? You get here 58, and again 58 is greater than 7, so 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 7 goes into 58 8 times, we get 56, and again you need to subtract 56 from 58, so you get 2, and this 2 is to be replaced to this place, and you are here having 24. 8 times 2 is 16, that will be subtracted from 24, so write 16 over here, and after subtracting you get 8. So 8 is your remainder and 48 is your quotient. This is your quotient and this is your remainder, and that is the answer. With little practice you can solve such questions in a matter of 5 to 6 seconds. Here we have the next question where 7448 is to be divided by 52. So again in the same manner, so as you can see 52 is written, 5 is in the bottom and 2 is on the top. As we can see 7 is greater than 5, so in this case we don't need to take 2 digits at a time. So divide 7 by 5, 5 ones are 5, and you get, subtract 5 from 7, you get 2. Now take this 2 on at this point, and this number becomes now 24, and from this 24 you have to subtract 2 times 1, this 1 and this 2, so you subtract 2 times 1, that gives you 22. Now 22 is now greater than 5, so you have to divide again. 5 fours are 20, So after subtracting you get 2. Again take this 2 here. So this again becomes 24. And now subtract 4 and 2, 8 from this 24. So that gives you 16. And 16 is greater than 5, so divide 16 by 5. 5 3s are 15, and you get 1 here. Take this 1 again at this place, and this number becomes 18. From 18 you have to subtract 3 times 2, that is 6. So your remainder now is 18 minus 6, that is 12, and quotient is 143. I hope my explanations so far have been clear. If you have any confusion, you can write your doubt in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.